Welcome back, everyone. It's really good to have you here today.
Yes, welcome. You can probably hear it in our voices already. Today feels a little special.
It really does. There's a certain energy in the air right now.
That end of the year feeling.
Exactly. That moment when the year starts slowing down and we finally have space to breathe.
I love that feeling. It's calm, but also exciting.
Same here. And today we're going to talk about that feeling in simple, real English.
We'll talk about holidays, about the end of the year, and about what people usually do at that time,
Not in a classroom way.
but in a real conversation way.
The kind of English you actually hear and actually use.
And before we really get into it, just one small friendly thing.
If these conversations help you feel more confident,
If English feels calmer, clearer, more human here,
then you can like this episode, subscribe to the channel.
and share it with someone who's also learning.
That small support helps us keep doing this.
All right, let's talk about holidays.
So Sarah, let me ask you something very simple.
Okay.
What do you usually do at the end of the year?
At the end of the year, I usually slow down.
Slow down.
Yes. I rest more. I spend time with my family.
That already sounds like something many people can relate to.
Yeah, the end of the year feels different.
It really does. People work less,
They travel,
they visit family.
or sometimes they just stay home and relax.
You said, I usually slow down.
Yes,
That's present tense.
because it's something I do every year.
Exactly. But now, let me ask you this.
Okay.
What did you do at the end of last year?
Ah. Last year was a little different.
Tell me.
At the end of last year, I stayed at home.
Stayed.
Yes, I stayed home and rested a lot.
Stayed. A nice regular verb. So for everyone listening, notice something simple.
Do becomes did.
Stay becomes stayed.
We're talking about something finished.
Something in the past. Many people take holidays at the end of the year.
Yes.
Some people travel.
Some people go back to their hometowns.
Some people just sleep. That's my favorite kind of holiday.
Same here.
Did you travel at the end of last year?
No, I didn't.
That's a perfect answer.
I didn't travel. I stayed home.
Very clear.
But the year before that, I traveled with my family.
Oh? Where did you go?
We went to the countryside.
Went.
Yes, we went there for 5 days.
How did that holiday feel?
It felt peaceful.
Peaceful.
The days were quiet. The nights were calm.
I can almost picture it.
Yeah, that's the nice thing about talking about holidays.
They bring memories back. Let's talk about some very common things people do.
Okay.
At the end of the year, people often,
Visit family,
yes,
eat special food,
always,
watch movies,
especially at night,
and think about the year.
that quiet reflection moment. Do you think about your year at the end of the year?
I do.
What do you think about?
I think about what I did, what I learned, what I enjoyed,
Those are powerful sentences.
and very simple.
Last year, at the end of the year, I took a few days off work.
That sounds nice already.
I stayed home. I woke up late.
Best feeling.
I drank coffee slowly and did nothing.
Nothing is sometimes everything.
Exactly.
If you're listening right now, maybe you did something similar.
Or maybe something completely different.
Both are okay.
You can practice with us.
Say it quietly or out loud.
At the end of the year, I
Stayed home. Visited my family. Traveled. Rested.
all good answers.
Some people also eat too much at the end of the year.
That is very true.
I ate too many sweets last year.
Same. No regrets. Holidays are not just about places.
They're about feelings,
Comfort,
connection.
rest.
So in this first part, we talked about the feeling of holidays.
And what people usually do at the end of the year.
In the next part,
We'll go deeper.
we'll talk more about past actions, stories, and real conversations
The kind you can use with friends,
with coworkers.
or even with strangers.
So take a small breath,
Let these words settle.
and when you're ready,
You know, there's something about the end of the year that makes people speak more honestly.
yeah, it's like the noise gets quieter.
And suddenly you can hear your own thoughts again.
Exactly. And that's why the conversations we have at this time feel different.
Earlier, we talked about what people usually do.
Habits, patterns,
Now let's do something more personal.
stories.
Right, because when you tell a story, English becomes alive. Let me tell you about the end of last year.
I'm listening.
So, at the end of last year, I finished work early on Friday.
Finished.
Yes, I closed my laptop, and honestly, that moment felt amazing.
I can't imagine.
I went home, changed my clothes, and sat on the sofa.
That sounds very real.
I didn't check my phone. I didn't answer emails.
Wow.
I just sat there and breathed.
That's something many people forget to do.
Notice how simple those sentences were.
But they carried a lot of feeling.
That's what we want our listeners to understand.
You don't need big words.
You need honest ones. What about you, Sarah?
At the end of last year, I visited my parents.
Visited.
Yes, I went to their house for a few days.
Oh, went.
The house was quiet, but warm.
That's a beautiful description.
We cooked together. We ate slowly. We talked a lot.
That sounds comforting.
It really was. I felt safe.
Let's pause here for a moment,
Okay.
because this is important.
Feelings are a big part of holiday conversations.
And beginners can talk about feelings.
With very simple words.
I felt happy. I felt relaxed.
I felt tired. I felt excited.
All correct. All powerful.
At the end of the year, people often ask questions like,
How was your holiday?
did you travel?
What did you do?
Did you enjoy it?
These are real-life questions.
My holiday was good. I stayed home.
I visited my family. I rested a lot.
I didn't travel this year.
But I enjoyed my time.
Short sentences, clear meaning.
Some people say, I did nothing on my holiday.
Which usually means they did everything they needed.
Sleep, eat, relax.
The best kind of plan.
Let's help our listeners practice.
You can pause the video if you want, or just think quietly.
You can start with,
At the end of last year, I
stayed home,
visited my family,
traveled with friends.
worked a little.
All of these are perfect.
And if your sentence is not perfect,
That's okay.
English is not about being perfect.
It's about being understood.
People don't listen for grammar.
They listen for meaning. Another common end-of-year topic is reflection.
Thinking about the year.
You can say,
This year was good. This year was difficult.
I learned a lot.
I changed.
Very simple, very honest.
And after talking about the past,
People often talk about the future.
next year.
But that's another conversation.
Yes, we'll save that.
Before we finish, just a gentle reminder.
If this conversation helped you feel more confident,
If English felt calmer here,
please like the video and subscribe to the channel.
your support really means a lot to us.
Thank you for spending this time with us.
For listening, for learning.
For trying.
Remember, you don't need perfect English,
You need real English.
and you're already using it.
See you next time. Take care.